two short topics that I forgot to mention in this Log4J series of videos. One is, I don't understand the reason exactly why, but I confirmed this with the author of this exploit detect custom AQL, Mitch Hale. In these, whatever you get in on detection of that function, that AQL function, and the IP address is your either the source or destination. In this case, it's actually both. Is QReader. Those are false positive, and those are actually logging. Is interesting because this is actually the process, and this is coincides with the time where I uploaded the latest version of Mitch AQL function. So again, if the IP address, and I mentioned briefly this video in one of the videos, if the IP addresses involved are the QReader one, this is the process of uploading the actual custom AQL function, and it's not, it's definitely, in this case, it's a false positive. The other point I want to make, didn't mention, is, I'm sure that everyone knows that you can upload these custom functions, it's just a zip file, and you can upload it by going into the admin, and go into the extension management, that puzzle icon, and upload that zip file. There's also another way of doing it from the QRadar console. You SSH into the QRadar console, and you can do it this way. The advantage of this method is that it's more verbose in terms if something goes wrong. Nothing should go wrong on this. Mitch tested this well. But anytime that you are uploading something into QRadar and you want to get more verbosity on what is actually that is not working well, you can do it through the command line interface. Short video.